Want to level up your YouTube game without spending hours glued to your screen? Let me show you today how to track 6 powerful metrics across multiple channels using no-code software. It will give you the competitive edge that will enable you to automatically catch new channel uploads, spot content opportunities for your own content, and find perfect collab partners, all through data without having to watch a single video. So today we're going to see every single upload that somebody makes to their channel and automatically summarize all of those uploads so that we can use it to inspire our own content and get ideas for content creation and other use cases for getting content ideas effectively. So we're going to have what platform it's come from, and in this case we're going to cover only YouTube examples. We're going to have the channel name, a link to the video in case you want to go and watch it, and then we've got a few other key details that we're going to extract from this, which will help us because we don't need to watch the video to understand what it's about. We can get a summary right here in our Airtable of exactly what the video is about and how we can use that content to inspire our own content or create comparison content, various things like that. So we're going to get outputs like video title, description, any tags they use, a summary, and a transcript. And I've already covered exactly how to get video transcript in another video below. So if you haven't seen that, we're going to directly use that workflow today. And all of the workflows we go through today are completely free to access and will be shared in the links below. So if we open up the N8N environment, which is our no-code tool of choice here, what we have first got here at a high level is every day at 4 p.m, we're going to trigger this workflow so that every day we can, twice a day, come back to our content ideas list and see, has any new content been published? And do I need to make any content that's trending? So we're just going to set our channel list that we want to monitor in this array here. So all I've done, for example, here is use Cole Medine's channel and my own. You can have this as 20, it doesn't matter. The same process applies. You're going to be monitoring every video that's uploaded to those channels. We're going to come back out here, and then what we're doing is we're to the YouTube API. To get the channel ID, we have to use the Google or YouTube API. So we use a HTTP GET request. So that enables us then to search for the latest videos uploaded by that channel, which is using the YouTube node. So we connect into our YouTube account, and if you don't have this set up, that's a whole separate process, but you can follow the N8N Google Docs in order to authorize and set that up here. You then plug in the channel ID, and we are asking it to return every video that's returned in the last 48 hours. So we've got how to learn coding as entrepreneur, non-technical solo founder in 2025. And that is from Cole. And then we've got how I can generate hundreds of YouTube ideas using no-code and AI. And that's from my channel, Simon Scrapes. So we've got 2 videos that have been pulled in the last 48 hours. What we're then going to do is a second YouTube node to get info from that video or from those respective videos. And what that's going to do is effectively use the video ID that we've pulled from the search for latest video node. It's going to return everything. So this star expression here is a common SQL expression in order to return everything. So what we're doing here is returning absolutely all the details that we can about a video. And you can see in the results here, we've got the publish time, got the title, description, the thumbnails, all of the different tags that are relevant, the category, duration. So we've got a ton of information about this video, including the video URL, etc., so that we can go and get a transcript of that video to save us from having to actually watch the video. We can actually just get a summary of it direct into our Airtable. What we're then going to do is send that into our video transcript creator. So this is using a node in Apify and is part of a separate workflow that I've created a video on. So this actually, I'll quickly flash it up here, receives the data through this execute workflow trigger, creates a video transcript using an Apify actor, summarizes that transcript into key sections, and then summarizes the video. And what that does is then returns all of that information about the summary back to our workflow and appends it all to the Airtable with the description, etc. So what we end up with is these two rows. So we've got the Metaverse guy, which is Coleman and Simon Scrapes. We've got 400 views, 19 like comments on this video that is how to learn coding as technical, non-technical solo founder in 2025. We've got the description, we've got the video summary, we've got the title, we've got a link to the video. But most importantly, we don't actually have to watch this video to understand the essence of this video. We go into the video summary here. The LLM caller has effectively summarized these key points for us so that we can come into here and just have our ideas auto-populate using N8N every single day. We don't need to watch the videos. Super easy to set up. And once you set it up, you can set this up for as many channels as you want and get instant content ideas every single day, a couple of times a day. Super helpful. If you want access to the template, check the links down in the description. There'll be a link to where you can get access to these two templates that we've gone through today and help your YouTube content creation process.